everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about jewelry and my experience shopping from Linjer. As you know, choosing the right jewelry can elevate your outfit and tell a story about you and your values, which is why I'm really excited to share with you that this video is kindly sponsored by Linjer. So in this video, I'll share with you a little bit about the brand Linjer, and I'll show you the pieces that they have sent me and how I styled them. So make sure to keep watching till the end. Before we get into the gorgeous pieces, let me share a little bit more about the brand Linjer. They are a female-founded brand, and the name Linjer comes from the Norwegian word for line, referencing their simple and minimal designs. Linjer's mission is to empower women worldwide with luxurious, sustainable jewelry at affordable prices. And who doesn't love that combination? Now, what sets Linjer apart from the other brands is their dedication to maintaining luxury standards while keeping things affordable. They've cracked the code by being a direct-to-consumer brand, which means cutting the unnecessary middlemen. Which means we get top-notch jewelry without the traditional luxury markup. It's like having the best of both worlds. The brand Linjer fights against fast fashion, so they make sure that their products last. Linjer's gold vermeil pieces use a sterling silver base plated with a super thick layer of 22K gold. Linjer's plating is 5 times thicker than regular gold-plated pieces and about 100 times thicker than flash-plated jewelry. This means a Linjer gold vermeil piece will outlast a regular gold-plated or flash-plated jewelry. So when they say it's built to last, they mean it. They also have solid gold pieces if you're dreaming of a jewelry piece that would last you forever. But if solid gold is out of your budget, gold vermeil is the next best thing. You know, wearing a jewelry is not just about looking good, it's also about feeling good, which is why Linjer is all about sustainability, using recycled material and lab-grown diamonds, as well as eco-friendly packaging. They even offset carbon emission for every shipment. It's a jewelry that not only enhances your style but also aligns with your values. All these points are what makes these jewelry pieces even more special to me and makes me instantly fall in love with them. Speaking of which, let's take a close look at them. The pieces came in this box, and inside that there are 3 little bags that are so pretty. I love the color of these little pouches and the texture. It just feels really chic and luxurious. There's also a little note. I'll read the letter quickly to you. We started our studio in 2014 because we wanted to make it easier for people to invest in beautiful, well-made things. Our brand had humble beginnings, and we've owed so much to our customers like you for helping us continue to do what we love. So here's to you. Thank you for choosing Linjer. We hope that our products serve you well for years to come. This is very sweet. I'll show you what's inside them. So they come in this little plastic bag, but I think that's because they don't want it to get scratched, which is understandable. And also, I just love the fact that they're packaged separately so they don't get damaged or scratched on the way. And I can also reuse these bags for sure, especially when I travel. I will just put them in these cute bags. I usually just prefer to use silver jewelry, which is why all 3 pieces that I ordered are silver. Here's the first piece that I got. It's a pearl necklace. As soon as I saw this pearl necklace, I just knew that I love it. It just looks so elegant. My cat loves it too. It looks so cute and elegant. I love it. This is something that I'll be wearing every day and I won't get tired of it. This is one of my favorite pieces. Inside the little pouch there was also a card. It explains how you can take care of these jewelry pieces. I'll definitely read this. It's very helpful because I want to make sure that I'm taking care of them properly and they can last me longer. The second piece is called organic hoops. They're just very minimal, but that's what I like about them. You can see from the side they look so nice. And it's very special, it's just not regular hoops. Another reason that I chose this one because I thought it goes really well with the necklace. So I'm gonna wear them together for sure. But even if I wear them with other pieces, I think it looks good. They're not that big and they're not small, and I just love how it looks. It feels very light when I wear these. It doesn't feel like I have a heavy piece in my ears. It's just very comfortable. I have sensitive skin. Every time I wear a jewelry that is not good, I can see the trace of the jewelry on my skin after I take it off, which is not good. And that's why I really care about wearing a jewelry piece that is well made and it doesn't make my skin turn green. Let's move to the next piece. This is a paper clip necklace. I feel like this is one of those must-have pieces that are very timeless and you can wear them with everything. You can just wear it on its own, or you can just stack up other necklaces on top of it. And that's why I really needed a necklace like that, so I can wear it with my other necklaces. And I also think that it's gonna go well with this one. So this is how it looks, and I love how they look together. Even though I'm wearing two necklaces right now, I feel it's very minimal and simple. So these are all of the pieces that I got from Linjer, and I love them so much. They look so effortlessly beautiful. I'm curious to know which one of these pieces are your favorites. By the way, did you know that Linjer's jewelry has been worn by celebrities? I mean, if it's good enough for celebrities, it's definitely worth checking out. So make sure to check their website. I will add the link to it in the description, as well as the link to all these three pieces. The good news is that they're having a sale right now up to 65%. You can also use my code that I will add it in the description. Once again, I want to thank Linjer for kindly sponsoring this video. Thank you for watching until here. If you're as excited as I am about Linjer jewelry, leave a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. And if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.